Hey y'all, Sarah here at Fab Nails and welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Today I'm going to be doing some sweater nails. Let's jump into it. Okay you guys, this is what I have so far for this set. I'm going to be doing some sweater nails with some sugaring over the top. And then I have this really pretty chopped up confetti that I'm going to put in on a nail. Really beautiful. For the background color, I'm using Stray Date from Young Nails. The stamping polish that I'm going to use is this really light gray, just so I have something to paint over when I do the sugaring. The sugaring glitter I'm going to be using is this flash glitter, very pretty blue. This is called Noises Under the Bed from Glitter Lambs. And then this is the other one that I'm using. And this is Iceland. Not sure where I got this. I'm pretty sure it was Glitter Mix Canada, but I will double check and link it below for you. The stamping plate I'm going to be using is this one from Clear Jelly Stamper, and it is CJS 218. I'll be using Flex Gel for the encapsulation part, my Ugly Duckling brush, the Big Bling from Clear Jelly Stamper, and I'm using two brushes if I need them from Ugly Duckling Detailer 2 and the Striper brush. We're going to start off with the glitter nail. This on the light to cure for 60 seconds. All right, here's our cured nail. Now we're going to encapsulate. Cure this for 60 seconds. And here's our cured nail. We're going to cleanse it and then file it. And there's our filed nail. I'm going to cleanse this. Now we have a nice clean nail. Now we're going to move on to stamping. I already did this design, so I'm going to try and find another easy one like this one. I use this gray, it's number 107. And there's our design. I'm gonna go ahead and stamp on both of these, and then we'll get to the tracing part with or polish. Okay, I went ahead and top coated this, and then I'm going to do the same design on both of these so we have a cohesive look. You will need a palette to put your polish down on. And you'll need your glitter ready, and then I have a cuticle pusher that I just scooped the glitter up with to sprinkle onto the nail. When you do this, you want to have a top coat on first before you do your sweater, because you won't be able to top coat around sugaring. So I'm going to take my striper brush here. I'm going to drag it through my polish here. Have a good amount on there. And then you're just going to do your straight lines. Down the nail, like so. And I'm going to take my Detailer 2 brush. It's a shorter one. Get some on my brush. And then I'm just going to do just going to trace over the design. Take your glitter or whatever you're using, clear acrylic. You're gonna scoop and pour. Make sure you take off the excess, and then you're gonna cure this in the light for 60 seconds. When it comes out of the light, it's gonna look like this. What I like to use is a manicure brush like this, and swipe down on the nail to get all that excess glitter off, and you're left with a sugared sweater nail. Love it, it's really cute. So now we're going to do this one the same way. In the light for 60 seconds. And we're going to do the same thing with our manicure brush. And now you have finished sugared sweater nail. This is the final set, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. thank you all so much for joining me today in my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up and a subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, and I hope you're having the best day ever. Bye!